Hello, my name is Peter Orio. I'm an associate professor of radiation oncology at Harvard Medical School and the vice chair of network operations at Dana-Farber Brigham Cancer Centers in Boston, Massachusetts. I'm honored to co-chair the 35th Annual International Prostate Cancer Update, also known as the IPCU, February 9 through 12, 2025, in beautiful Vail, Colorado, with Dr. John Davis, professor of urology at MD Anderson Cancer Center. Over the past 34 years, Dr. David Crawford has been at the helm of this highly successful and informative meeting. John and I are honored that David has trusted us to take over the reins. We have an amazing meeting planned with top-notch national and international faculty to represent leaders in the fields of radiation oncology, medical oncology, radiology, and urology. We promise to deliver a meeting full of insights and updates from diagnostics, prognostics, and state-of-the-art treatments for all risk groups of prostate cancer. We hope you will join us in beautiful Vail, Colorado for a perfect blend of learning, networking, and fun. I personally extend an invitation to join us for this year's meeting, and I truly hope to see you there. Thank you.